What's up, everyone? I'm just right here in my garage. I just wanted to share this crazy experience that I had the other day. It was the worst experience of my life as a truck driver. My trailer tires came off my trailer on the freeway, and I caught it all on tape. Check it out. So about an hour before this happened, I just delivered my first load, and dispatch told me to go ahead and grab a bare chassis to take back to Long Beach to grab my second load. So I hook up to an available chassis, do my walk around, and everything seems normal. So I leave the customer, get on the 215 North, merge onto the 91 freeway, and then I look in my rearview mirror and I realize there's a tire rolling in the middle of the freeway. And then I look at my chassis and my chassis is missing two tires. So I was like, crap, those are my tires. So I'm praying out loud, God, please don't let it hit a car, over and over again. I continue to follow along with it as other cars are slowing down or speeding up to avoid getting hit by the tires. And I can't believe how long it continues to roll on the freeway. It felt like an eternity. As I'm praying out loud over and over again, I'm just thinking in my head the whole time, it's gonna hit a car, it's gonna hurt somebody, it's gonna kill somebody. My trucking career is gonna be over. It ends up going from the right to the left over and over again until finally it goes to the shoulder of the freeway, into the dirt, plows through a fence, bounces a couple times, barreling towards a parked car and just misses the parked car, bumps up against the wall of these apartments and comes to a complete stop. This was by far the worst experience I've ever had as a truck driver. I've seen this happen to other cars and trucks on social media, but never in a million years did I ever think that this would happen to me. I just really feel like God had his hands on me the whole time and protected everyone around me and myself from getting hurt. I have no idea what the consequences would have been if those tires would have hurt or killed somebody, but I thank God literally nothing bad happened. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How bad could this have been and how bad would the consequences be? Thank you for watching. God bless you and your families. And as always, stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you on the next one.